Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export an email template from Figma to Klaviyo. This is incredibly useful if you design your email campaigns in Figma and want to bring them into Klaviyo without having to rebuild everything from scratch. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First, you'll need to open your Figma file where your email template is saved. Make sure you have everything designed exactly how you want it to appear in Klaviyo. Now, here's an important step before we export anything. You need to make sure your template includes an unsubscribe tag. This is crucial because Klaviyo requires this element to be present in order to successfully import your template. Without it, you'll run into issues during the import process. Once you've confirmed the unsubscribe tag is in place, look toward the bottom of your Figma workspace. You'll see an action icon there. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. This will open up the plugin browser where you can access a wide variety of tools designed to extend Figma's functionality. In the search bar, type Marka Email Generator. This plugin is specifically built to help convert Figma designs into email-ready HTML files. Once you find it, click on it and then click Run to launch the plugin. You'll notice a panel appears giving you access to the export features you need. Now direct your attention to the left side of the plugin panel. Here, you'll need to click on the frame that contains your email template design. This tells the plugin which specific design you want to export. After selecting the frame, click Preview. This step allows you to see how your email will look once it's converted, giving you a chance to catch any issues before you proceed. When you're satisfied with how it looks, click Export. A new dialog will appear with export options. From these options, click Export HTML File. This generates the HTML code that Klaviyo will use to render your email template. After the file is generated, click Save to download it to your computer. Make sure you remember where you save this file, as you'll need it in just a moment. Now it's time to head over to your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, look at the left side navigation panel and click on Content. From the submenu that appears, click Templates. This is where all your email templates are stored and managed. On the Templates page, click Email Saved to view your existing templates. Then, on the right side of the screen, you'll see an Import button. Click it to begin the import process. You'll be prompted to input a template name, so choose something descriptive that will help you identify this template later. Next, click Select File and navigate to the HTML file you exported from Figma. Select the file and then click Import Template. Klaviyo will process the file and add it to your template library. This might take a moment, so just be patient while it uploads and converts everything. And that's it. Your Figma design is now fully imported into Klaviyo and ready to use in your email campaigns. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.